Alright, HVAC people, got a no cooling call. Let's see if we can get some footage. Right. As you can see, pretty warm out here today.
So it's not blowing hard enough to keep up with this heat. I mean, I'll set it at 75 in the morning, and by this time of the afternoon, it's 78 in the house. So I think it's just low refrigerant, to be honest. But yeah, it's running 76 right now.
Okay, when did that thing change the filter?
About 6 weeks ago.
Okay. All right, I'll take it out. I see a reading set point. Okay. I'm gonna go take a look at the outside unit. I can go out this way?
Yeah.
What about the attic? Let me take a peek in the attic first.
Attic's in here.
Okay.
So you're gonna need a step stool. It's not a ladder entrance, it's a trapdoor.
Okay, all right. I got a 4-foot ladder. I'm gonna step out here first.
Oh, hush.
Oh, excuse me.
Yep.
Good and out of me. Huh? Oh, you fine. Even if a little water here, man, that feels good. Yeah. I'm gonna use this gate right here. All right, like dogs been chewing up the line. Look at the part. Need the maintenance more than anything. Yeah, I'm gonna check the pressures, but man, unit been neglected. See that hot? Go and say it ain't low, that's for sure. The pressure so high in the evening time, 4 o'clock, that sun beaming down on it. See, that sun gonna get right there around 4 or 5 o'clock, shine right on this unit, high air pressure. Let's take a look in the attic. All right, my man. If anything, you need a maintenance. The unit been very neglected. These filters need to be changed ASAP. If you got pets, I recommend changing these at least once a month. But it's not they got plenty of refrigerant in here. It just needs to be cleaned up.
Gotcha.
And it looked like also are the dogs snatching the armor flex off the unit.
No, that thing's been.
It been like that when you got here?
I moved in October and it was
okay. I'm gonna put it.
Those two, the electrical wires go inside.
Yep.
There's no insulation on them spots. When I moved in, I just gonna put some electrical tape.
Okay, good. But that insulation, I'm gonna put some on there.
Okay.
Because that line there, what we call beer can cold, when you feel it, it's supposed to be cool. Especially with that sun beaming on it, that bare pipe right there, you're losing some heat right there also.
Gotcha.
But let me peek up here and see how it looks. Yeah, I already know what's happening in the evening time. With that condenser being so dirty. Yeah, go look at your condenser core too. I'm gonna go out there with you and I'm gonna show you.
So when I moved in, I figured they had regular maintenance done on it, so I got it.
Yeah. How long you been in here? Been about 9? Okay. A little rust in the pans, nothing dripping. No flow switch. Just shut the unit off. All right, let me take a picture of this. All right. So what happens is it's already extremely hot in here. Oh yeah. So these units really not designed for 100 plus degree level. But especially like, let me show y'all this. See what happens here when this oil that's on this back side. You see this right here?
Yeah.
This needs to breathe.
Gotcha.
And then what happens with that sun beaming on it too? Let me show you the pressure. Yeah, you can see that. Can you see this one right here? See that 400?
Yep.
That 400 really too high. But I already know once I clean this core, I probably can get that down to about 350. About 4 o'clock in the evening, I imagine that probably go all the way up to about 500.
Gotcha.
It can't cool because it's getting too hot.
Gotcha.
But once I clean it up, I'll double check it. If I feel it need refrigerant after I clean it, I'll add some.
Sounds good.
That'll work.
That'll work. I'll be in touch with you.
All right. Where your water hose spot?
That'll work.
I'm gonna clean it up, clean that condenser form, and then let it run for a few minutes, and then I'll determine if it needs to be charged up. You can't really check no charge like this. I don't think it's a refrigerant problem. You get a piece of Armor Flex, put it on there. An extra piece of Armor Flex. We'll throw that on there. And get a water hose. I think I got a nozzle in my bag. Yeah, it feels like the desert out here, folks. Hey, man, these little AC fans come in handy though. That's a for sure right on right there, folks. Alright, so this camera gonna get too hot, so I ain't gonna be able to do too much recording. I don't think anyway. As long as you got enough pressure on there, hey, it's too hot to be doing inside out. You really don't like to do maintenance in the middle of the summer like this. Everybody know that they can be a double charge if this stuff needs to be cleaned up in the hot sun like this. Take our time to get it good though. I don't know why people want it 70 degrees. GoPro getting too hot, folks. Come on. That's soap. Core wet, but we 272 on a wet core. Hey folks, I was gonna end this video because the GoPro's shutting off like every 3 minutes because it's getting too hot. But I want to show you something real quick. So if you ever find this, because when I clean up the unit, I always like to check the amps and the capacitor and all that good stuff. But this is what I found when I was about to check the amps. It seemed like I had a little spark, but I don't know if you can see that. See how that white common? Well, anyway, that you can see where they probably tried to tighten it too much and it broke off. So that white really barely getting the connection. So this contact needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna replace that contact. All right. 11 amps. Pressures. Hard to see these yellow jackets. Gotta bring my LED tape back out. Oh, my PSI. Alright, so 113 over 363. Alright. We need to put a new contact on there.
check voltage real quick again. Like I say, that's there barely hanging on there. You see that? I ain't unloosened or nothing. It just barely come out of there. See? So that wasn't getting no good connection. All right. So we'll replace that. All right. So I ain't know really how to turn that thermostat off, so I just raised the set point to 82, 76 in the house, so we gotta hurry up. All right. Get my long extension. Just see how this one is. If it's don't matter how it is. You know, some people be tripping on single pole and double pole. On these, there's no what you call it, heat thing on there, on that compressor. So we're gonna start from the top to bottom. Orange, red, oh. Let's keep it like they had it on this side. All right. We'll make sure all our connections tight. All right. Go black. All right. Let's see for that one. Let's go ahead and hook this 24 bolts up for a call. So like I said, y'all see that barely hanging on there? And white wire really just touching this right here. That's why we're keeping the unit on. Any little bump though could have tripped the brake or anything. And you got two dogs. Don't, you know, throwing a tennis ball, let it in the dog slide and hit the unit or something. I know a technician did that by over tightening. I've done it before. Hold on, yeah, I want that white on that other end. Bear with me, folks. I don't know where we cut off at. But I'm got 2 more connections on the high voltage side. All right, just stick that right down in there. Check the cap. Cap is 45 by 5. It's in spec. Alright folks, so that's a wrap there. I got some more armor flex on there, replaced the contactor, cleaned them up. Told them to change the filter. And can't promise I can keep it ice cold when it's 115 degrees out there, but that should be a lot better than what before it came. All right, like I say, hey, might not be able to get it freezing up there. That's gonna be a lot better. Hey, I think that's the key to success, folks. Leave something a lot better than what you found it. You'll be all right. All right, HVAC people, we out.